What are you gonna say?
Hi, Teacher Nina. Mommy, open. Mama, first thing first. Open the side. Name.
Kita ka dun, no? What's next?
Egg. Ah!
How many eggs? How many eggs?
2. Mama, cuchara.
Wait.
We need some milk. Cuchara.
Go.
Ito pala. To make it.
Okay, guys. Today we're gonna make
Puffy.
What's your ingredients, Louie? We
Um,
have pancake flour, pancake mix,
Egg.
and then eggs,
No. Milk.
then
Then. Boom. A one.
we're going to
Make.
mix. Mix. Careful.
Ah.
Let's add some water.
Hey, Mama, give me that.
So how old are you, Louie?
5.
You're 5 years old. What's the name of your teacher?
Teacher Nina.
Teacher Lina. Did you go to school? What did you say to teacher?
Good morning, teacher.
Ah. What if you want to go to bathroom? What are you gonna say to the teacher?
Teacher Nina.
Mm.
Give me.
Teacher Lina what?
Nina. Oh no! Mommy, he found something. Cuchara! Cookies. We need some cookies. So,
Uy, durugin mo.
Mommy, we need some cookies. Give me some cookies.
I'm gonna put some.
Cookies. Mama, stop.
Pancake with
Please, Louie.
what?
Luto.
are you luto, Louie?
Pancake.
Wow. Pancake with
Louis.
pancake with
Louis.
pancake with Louie. With ano, cookies.
Pancake. Cake. Pancake.
Okay. Ako na lulutuin na natin. Okay, see you later, guys.
Later, guys, I will play Roblox.
No.
Mama, I can reach. Give me.
Here's your pancake for today's video.
Pancake. YouTube. Pizza.
Here's your pancake with
Pizza.
Oreo. I want cookies. Pizza pancake.
Pizza.
Want some pizza pancake? Here you go, Louie.
Mama. 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 Mama.
Here you go.
Wow, cookies, pizza.
What are you gonna say to mommy?
Mommy, thank you.
We love you. Yummy.
Mommy, what was your job?
Did you finish that?
Mommy, give me. Please.
Say thank you muna and I love you.
Thank you, Mommy. I love you.
Mabay na tayo vlog.
I love you, Baba, Brock.
No?
Bye-bye, Daddy, Mommy. No, no. Bye, Nanay. I love you,